Welcome, all you DIY enthusiasts and kitchen adventurers. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of fruit cutting. Ever wondered how to swiftly slice a kiwi or neatly have a watermelon? Well, you're in the right place. Let's turn you into a fruit cutting ninja. First up, the mango, the jewel of the tropics. To tackle this slippery customer, you'll need a sharp knife and a steady hand. Slice off the sides as close to the pit as possible. Then, make a crisscross pattern on the flesh and flip it inside out. Behold, a mango hedgehog ready to be devoured. Moving on to kiwis, which can be a bit tricky with their fuzzy exterior. Here's a neat trick. Slice off both ends and use a spoon to scoop out the fruit in one swoop. It's like magic, and suddenly you have perfect kiwi rounds without the fuss. Now let's talk about the big boss, the watermelon. Lay it on its side, slice off the ends to create a stable base, and then cut it down the middle. Work your knife through that vibrant red flesh, creating cubes or slices as you go. It's not just about cutting, it's about creating art on a platter. And don't forget about pineapples, those tropical crowns that might seem daunting at first. Slice off the top and bottom to stabilize it. Then, standing it upright, carve the skin off from top to bottom, following the curves. Lastly, slice it into discs or chunks, and you've conquered the pineapple challenge. There you have it. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to becoming a fruit cutting ninja. Remember, all it takes is the right technique and a bit of practice. So grab your knife, pick your fruit, and start slicing like a pro. Happy cutting, everyone. See you next time for more DIY kitchen fun.